Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Unlock your financial freedom. Ever feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel trading your precious time for money? You're not alone. Most people dream of financial freedom, but the path to get there can seem elusive. What if I told you it's possible to build wealth without being chained to a desk? In this video, we're diving deep into 7 powerful passive income ideas that can help you break free from the shackles of the 9-to-5 and pave your way to financial independence. We'll break down each strategy step by step, giving you the knowledge and tools to start building a brighter financial future. Remember, financial literacy is the key to unlocking your full potential. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. More real estate investments. Real estate has long been considered one of the most reliable ways to build wealth and secure financial freedom. When it comes to building long-term wealth, real estate is a tried and true method. It's not just about owning property, it's about creating a sustainable income stream that can last for generations. But did you know you don't need to be a millionaire to get started? One word: rentals. Rental properties are accessible to many and can be a stepping stone to larger investments. Investing in rental properties can provide you with a steady stream of passive income, month after month. This income can help you achieve financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, funding a child's education, or simply enjoying more financial freedom. Imagine collecting rent checks while you're off hiking in the mountains or pursuing your passions. The beauty of rental income is that it can be relatively hands-off, especially if you hire a property management company. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't real estate risky? It's a common concern, but it's important to understand that all investments carry some level of risk. Like any investment, there are inherent risks, but with proper research, due diligence, and a solid strategy, you can mitigate those risks and set yourself up for success. Start small. Begin with properties that are within your budget and gradually expand as you gain more experience. Consider investing in a duplex or a small multi-family property. These types of properties can be more affordable and offer multiple income streams from a single investment. Live in one unit and rent out the others. This strategy, known as house hacking, allows you to offset your living expenses and build equity in the property. This house hacking strategy can help you generate rental income to cover your mortgage and potentially even put extra cash in your pocket. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Before diving into real estate, educate yourself on market trends, financing options, and property management. Understanding the market can help you identify the best opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. There are tons of resources available online, and even real estate investment clubs, where you can connect with experienced investors. These communities can provide valuable insights, support, and networking opportunities to help you succeed in your real estate journey. Dividend stocks. Let your money work for you. Imagine having a portfolio that grows even when you're not actively managing it. Ever wish your money could earn more money while you sleep? This isn't just a dream, it's a reality with the right investment strategy. That's the beauty of dividend stocks. They offer a unique way to grow your wealth passively. Think of them as little income-generating machines working tirelessly in your portfolio. Each stock is like a worker bee, contributing to your financial hive. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company that shares its profits with shareholders. This means you benefit directly from the company's success. These payouts can provide a consistent stream of passive income, helping you build wealth over time. Imagine receiving regular checks just for holding onto your investments. Now, not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some offer higher yields but come with higher risks. It's crucial to do your research and choose companies with a solid track record of profitability and dividend growth. Look for companies that have been profitable for years and have a history of increasing their dividends. Look for established businesses with a history of paying dividends consistently, even during economic downturns. These companies are often more stable and reliable. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments, you reduce the risk of losing money if one sector underperforms. Instead, spread your investments across different sectors and industries to minimize risk. This way, you can benefit from the growth of various parts of the economy. Remember, patience is a virtue when it comes to dividend investing. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building wealth steadily over time. It's a long-term game that requires discipline and a focus on the future. Stay committed and let your money work for you, growing steadily as you focus on other aspects of your life. Peer-to-peer lending. Become the bank. Forget traditional banks. Imagine a world where you are the one in control, where you decide who gets the loan and at what interest rate. With peer-to-peer lending, you can become the lender and earn interest on loans you make to individuals or businesses. This is a revolutionary way to grow your wealth by directly participating in the lending process. It's like cutting out the middleman and reaping the rewards directly. You get to see your money at work, helping others while earning a return on your investment. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors, allowing you to browse through loan listings and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. You have the power to decide where your money goes. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't lending money risky? It's a valid concern, and it's important to understand the risks involved. Of course, there's always a risk that borrowers may default on their loans. This is a reality of lending, but there are ways to manage this risk effectively. That's why it's crucial to diversify your investments across multiple loans to mitigate potential losses. By spreading your investments, you reduce the impact of any single loan defaulting. P2P lending can be a great way to earn higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or CDs. The potential for higher returns is one of the main attractions of peer-to-peer lending. However, it's essential to approach it with caution and conduct thorough research on borrowers before investing. Look at their credit history, income, and other factors to make informed decisions. Remember, diversification is your best friend. By spreading your investments, you can balance the risk and reward more effectively. Spread your investments across multiple loans to minimize risk and maximize your earning potential. This strategy helps you build a more resilient and profitable portfolio. Embrace the power of peer-to-peer lending and take control of your financial future. Become the bank and watch your investments grow. Are you passionate about a particular topic? Do you love sharing your knowledge with others? If so, creating a blog or YouTube channel could be your ticket to passive income and a fulfilling side hustle. By creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can monetize your platform through advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. The key is to choose a niche that you're genuinely passionate about and that has the potential to attract a dedicated audience. Whether it's finance, travel, cooking, or something completely unique, there's an audience out there waiting to hear what you have to say. Consistency is key. Post new content regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats, such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, or even social media posts. Ever recommend a product or service to a friend and wish you could get a cut of the sale? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can. It's a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, choose products or services to promote, and share your unique affiliate link with your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. You're simply connecting buyers with sellers and earning a commission for your efforts. Choose products or services that align with your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is key to building trust with your audience and driving conversions. Have you always dreamed of becoming an author? With the rise of self-publishing, it's easier than ever to share your knowledge and expertise with the world while generating passive income through ebook royalties. Think about your skills, passions, or areas where you have valuable insights to offer. What problems can you solve for your readers? What unique perspective can you bring to the table? Once you have a topic in mind, it's time to start writing. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Just get your ideas down on paper. You can always go back and edit later. After writing your ebook, it's time to format it for digital platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Kindle Direct Publishing makes it incredibly easy to self-publish your ebook and reach millions of potential readers worldwide. Are you an expert in a particular field? Do you have valuable skills that you could teach others? If so, creating an online course could be a lucrative way to generate passive income while making a real impact. Online courses are in high demand as people are constantly seeking ways to learn new skills or enhance their existing ones. Whether it's coding, marketing, photography, or anything in between, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Start by identifying your target audience and the specific skills or knowledge you want to impart. What problems are they facing, and how can your course help them overcome those challenges? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience and course content, it's time to choose a platform to host your course. Popular options include Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia. Congratulations! You've just unlocked 7 powerful passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom and design your dream life. Remember, the journey to financial independence starts with a single step. To help you get started, check the link in the description below with more resources and tools. Don't wait for the perfect time to take action. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more empowering content on building wealth and achieving financial freedom.